Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight light bulbs. So the low beam, high beam and the turn signal light bulb. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Okay, now luckily it's quite easy to remove and replace the light bulbs on Nissan Rogues. So first I will show you the passenger side, which is a bit easier actually. Okay, so this first one right here, this is the high beam light bulb. All you have to do, you have to turn this socket counterclockwise like this, you see, and then just pull it out. And once you have the light bulb out, you just have to detach it from this connector. You can do that just by pushing onto this black tab right here, and while you are holding this black tab, just pull the light bulb out and install the new one the same way. And then once you install the new bulb, just insert this back in and turn it clockwise. That's it. Okay, now the low beam is located just there and it's completely the same, so you have to squeeze your hand in there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Just turn this counterclockwise and pull it out, and it's all the same like with the high beam. Replace the bulb and insert it back in, and that's it. Lock it back in place. And the last one, the turn signal light bulb, which is here. It's a bit harder to access, it's gonna be just down there, but again you can squeeze your hand through here, you see, and turn this counterclockwise and pull it out, and then just pull out the bulb and install the new bulb in. Once you are done, just lock it back in place. Very easy to do on this vehicle compared to some other cars. Okay, now the driver's side, it's also very easy. All the light bulbs are easily accessible, but you will just have to remove these plastic air holes. Once you do that, you'll be able to reach everything even easier than on the passenger side. Now to remove this thing, you'll have three black tabs here. I have only one, but you will have three. So one here, and one here. So to remove those, you just have to pop out, you see this middle piece, just like that. And then this will be completely loose. Now to completely remove this piece, you will also have to detach it here on this side. I did it already. You see there's like a small tab just here in this hole holding it here in place. You just have to you can even use your fingers or a flat screwdriver just to pop it out here. I'll show you. See, there's this plastic tab behind this here, and then just get this off the way, and now you have the full access to all of the light bulbs, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.